How to order in Temu in India. Now, first things first, is there is actually um, no such thing as a thing that you have to do first before you add to cart or place an order if you're located in India. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to place an order or add to your cart regularly as what you are doing usually. So if you head to the Temu app, you simply choose on the product that you wanted to purchase, then add this to your cart. Then you can go ahead and either log into your Google account or Facebook. Then after this, you'll just have to confirm your address from India and then add the payment method. Before you purchase an item, make sure that um, the addresses that you have is accurate and will be visible on the writer's end. You'll just have to make sure, and then you'll also have to be to pay attention to details so that you don't have any problems in the future once your product or once the item that you wanted to purchase will be completely shipped out. So that's basically it. You don't have to do anything, just regularly place an order to purchase an item.